Frustrated by the Macdll library DLL error causing Monkey's audio to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To kick off the manual repair for Macdll library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Macdll library, the Monkey's audio codec MASI library. It manages the localized lossless compression and decompression of .ape audio files, mandatory for localized audiophile music players to perform localized high-fidelity audio playback. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Unlike system-wide DLL's Macdll library, DLL is unique to the Monkey's audio environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Macdll library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video, or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Installing an unverified version of Macdll library DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Macdll library and system efficiency. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Macdll library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.